Hey everyone, Martian Cubing here, and today we have a pretty exciting unboxing. So in here is the MGC Square-1. It's been pretty hyped up, and apparently it's really good, especially for the price. And a quick reminder, you can always use code MARTIAN for 5% off your entire order at the Cubicle. So that out of the way, let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright, so as you can see, the box is pretty much identical to all the other MGC puzzles. But it's definitely different for a Square-1 because most Square-1s just have the normal basic cube box with just the size of the cube and a little plastic wrap, but this is definitely a higher quality package. So we can just go ahead and slide off the MGC banner thing, and then we can just open the puzzle from the top like that. Alright, so here we have some accessories. I'll take a look at this later, and then we have the puzzle. Alright, so as you can see, the puzzle is covered in plastic wrap. Always a really satisfying part of opening puzzles. Alright, so first impressions, it's definitely a frosted plastic. It's pretty slippery. But after use that normally goes away. And yeah, the shades are pretty muted. They're not very exactly bright, as you can see. And I also noticed that this hole in the center is larger than other puzzles, such as the Little Magic Square-1 or the 𝗘𝗾𝗂𝗶𝗽𝗺𝗺 Square-1. So that might help corner cutting. And as you can see, there's kind of like a kind of cool looking, like it just goes straight to the center on both sides. Anyway, let's just get into first turns. Okay, this is interesting. It's definitely fast, but also it feels really dry. So I'm not good at Square-1 in any way, but it feels like it's kind of like a clacking puzzle. Like it's not very like a smooth turning. That might just be from out of the box. But the magnet strength, the slice magnets are pretty strong, but they're large, so it's not like a really like harsh snap. And then the magnets on the top here they're pretty normal. They're much weaker than the slice, but they're definitely normal. And this is definitely the dry part. I don't know if it needs lube in the core or just, like, it feels like it's been lubed on the outside, but it just does not feel set up very well. Like, this is the slice. Here, you can hear it. And then you can hear the difference between the slice and then the other layers. But anyway, yeah, I'm not like very good at Square-1 at all, but I've been maining the Little Magic Square-1, and this definitely feels really good, especially if you have it set up properly. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah, so this is $15 less with my code, but it's $15. It's definitely good for like a $15 Square-1 that's fully magnetized. I'll have to do some solves on this, and then I might make a review later and just see how it is set up. I'll probably put I think I'll put some Mystic, D&M, and probably some Silk. Alright, looking at corner cutting, I don't know what that was. Corner cuts very well actually here. As you can see, I'm line to line. Does it no problem. But if you go with the second piece, it's a little less. But right there, line to line, no problem. Let's try reverse. That's pretty good. Yeah, the corner cutting is actually very impressive for a Square-1, because as a lot of you guys know, Square-1s haven't had good hardware for a while. Alright, so looking at the accessories, what we have is we have this pretty interesting screwdriver. You can see it's a normal screwdriver just with this, but with also really nice black pieces for those of you guys who prefer to use white and black or yellow and black. I think that will please a lot of people. I personally don't have an issue with that, but yeah, they're just frosted black pieces, so that's cool to have. I might put them on them. on it and see how I like it. But yeah. Yeah, so this was just my first impression out of the box. I mean, it feels pretty good. It's not like amazing, but it feels pretty good out of the box. And for $15 fully magnetized with that good corner cutting, I think this is a pretty good buy. But just be prepared to set it up how you like it. Like, I personally don't like it how it is right now, but just be prepared to set it up how you like it, and definitely be prepared to get used to it, because that might take a little time. Anyway, that was this unboxing. I mean, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys watching, supporting my channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.